जरा कधीच आहे. होत नाही आलं. कोण कोण आलं त्यात? Hello everyone. Yeah, everyone is on mute. If you'll have to.
काय करू आम्ही म्यूट वर ठेवू?
When your turn comes, we can talk and.
मम्मी दिसते?
हा दिसतच नाही मला.
आपण दोघी दिसतोय इथे.
माझा व्हिडिओच येत नाही.
फोटो जरा वर करावा लागेल. दिसत नाहीये फोटो. थोडं वर पाहिजे.
मामा तुझं हे नाही दिसत.
हा
Your picture is not seen.
Yeah, I know. For some reason, it's not come.
Join on something else till then.
Is my voice clear?
Yes, very clear.
मम्मी तू बोल.
We are also
एवढं
live.
लांब ठेवलं तर ठीक आहे? एवढं लांब ठेवलं तर ठीक आहे?
Yes,
Oh,
perfect.
absolutely correct. Perfect.
आणि मी इथे वरती फोटो लावलाय पाठीमागे.
उगा काढ ना, दिसत नाही.
हा दिसत नाहीये तो वर करतोय विजय.
हा ठीक आहे. सो अजून 2 मिनिटं आहेत.
झाला? 2 उषा ठेव ना, 2-3 उषा. ती पडली की उशी.
आलाय का माझं?
हा
मामा नाही दिसत आहेस तू. ऑडिओ व्हिडिओ ऑन आहे मामा?
हो व्हिडिओ ऑन आहे. हा स्टार्ट व्हिडिओ ऑफ.
बाहेर पडलो बाहेर पडलो बरं झालं.
मी कोल्हापूरून बोलतेय.
Hello.
Hello.
Puni, I can see you.
Hi. We'll just wait for 5 minutes. Let everyone come in. People are joining in. So.
Lata Bain is there, no? I just would like to see her for a second.
Yes, one second. I'll focus on Lata Aji.
आम्ही सेम ह्याच्यात लिंक वर आहे. मम्मी
Oh,
दिसत
Lata
नाहीये
Bain.
का? हा बोल.
Puni, I know. चला छान.
नानाचा फोटो लागतो.
हो छान आहे. मागे दिसतोय मला सुंदर फोटो. तो
दिसतोय
फोटो
ना?
पण फार सुंदर होता पेपर मधला. I know.
Okay, more people are joining.
बंद करून परत ट्राय करतो रे.
बरोबर आहे.
Okay. Come, Mama. Yeah. Try on some other laptop.
सगळे बोलतात. दिसतोय फोटो दिसतोय का?
दिसतोय. थोडा रिफ्लेक्शन आहे.
जरा पाणी देते. आता छान दिसतंय बघ.
फोटो दिसतोय, छान दिसतोय.
सो अजून एक 5 मिनिटं थांबूया आपण. सो आजी, इफ यू वॉन्ट टू से समथिंग, थोडंसं मॉम यू कॅन स्टार्ट. फोटो रिफ्लेक्शन दिसते थोडंसं असं सर्व.
लता वहिनी, लता वहिनी, मीना बोलतीये. मी 2 मिनिटं बोलून घेते.
हो चालेल चालेल. बोल.
हा, तुला मी दिसत नाही ना? थांब, मी एक वेळ माझा व्हिडिओ लावते म्हणजे तुला
मला
दिसेल.
लतावणी छान दिसतंय. लतावणी, यू आर लुकिंग गुड. यू आर
लता-
कीपिंग वेल. जस्ट
अच्छा,
स्टे गुड
अच्छा.
लाईक दिस.
अशोक पण आली आहे, मी पण
हो,
आली.
हो.
लता वहिनी,
दिसली
लता
मला.
वहिनी तुला दिसतेय मी? लता वहिनी मी दिसते तुला?
हो हो दिसली.
छान छान. आणि मधुदादाचा फोटो पण फार गोड आहे.
छान आहे. हसतातच ते.
हो, छान छान.
अगदी छान फोटो आहे.
तुला किती महिन्यांनी बघतेय मी? 8 महिन्यांनी बघतेय.
हो ग, खरं आहे. आपण भेटलोच नाही ना.
हो, खरंच खरंच अगदी.
लताताई,
हा,
माधुरी बोलते.
कोण बोलतंय?
माधुरी.
हा, माधुरी.
हा,
बोल,
वेळ आहे
बोल.
ना, सुरू व्हायला वेळ आहे अजून.
हा, आपण
हो, सगळं,
अजून
हा.
5 मिनिटं
ते
थांबूया.
सगळीकडे लागायला लागतं ना.
काही लोक अजून जॉईन होत आहेत. लेट्स वेट, जस्ट वेट.
इकडे आहे, जयंतच्याकडे आहे, पौर्णिमाच्या तिकडे कोल्हापूरला आहे.
हो, सगळे आहेत.
सगळे आहेत या. अगं मीरा फार आठवण. मीरा आठवते तुला? मीरा माझी मैत्रीण.
कोण ग?
मीरा गुलाबचंद माझी मैत्रीण.
हा,
ती
हा,
मधुदादाला फार, हा, मधुदादा वॉज ऑलवेज.
मीरा.
हा मीरा.
तिचा भयंकर जीव होता नानांवर.
तिला फार आम्ही तिला पाठवले हे झूम लिंक ऑल्सो अँड शी वॉज फीलिंग, या शी रिअली लव्ड हिम.
माहितीये मला ती. हो.
मागच्या वेळी शी वॉज इन बॉम्बे. शी हॅड कम ओव्हर.
शी टोल्ड मी. आणि मधुदादा हात
खूप
पकडून
मजा आली. ती आली, सगळ्यांना भेटलो, आम्ही जेवलो, मजा केली.
तिचं हे गेलं, तो फोन गेला तिचा. आता हे तिने मला फॉरवर्ड करायला सांगितले तिच्या देवांगच्या ह्याच्यात. ते कसं फॉरवर्ड करणार? फॉरवर्ड काय घ्या, फॉरवर्ड आणि ह्याच्या देवांगच्या ह्याच्यावर.
मी दिसते तो.
हा लता,
हा.
हाय.
शरद बाई.
शिका शिका.
Jai Shri Krishna. Very, very sorry to know
I know.
the demise of Madhu, dear friend.
He used to give a lot of company. He used to come. He used to talk to you. Oh, no.
So Sharad bhai,
हिंदू मावशी आले बघ.
Nana used to miss you a lot. He used to ask.
Yeah,
दुसरा फोन घेतच
I am missing him quite a lot.
He used to say that Sharad bhai बहुत दिन में मिला नहीं.
About 8 months. So we are. Before that, I think I came in February also. I had come.
Yeah.
Hi Lata Maushi, this I is here for the meeting. Okay,
Oh.
this is Anuradha.
हो, प्रवासिनी.
Ah,
कशी आहेस? बरी आहेस ना?
बरी आहे. तू कशी आहे?
मी बरी आहे ग.
huh?
मी
Okay,
बरी
I
आहे.
is here. She's sitting here for the meeting. Huh, Lata? Hi Purnima.
हाय.
Hi.
हाय गोपी.
हा, हिंदू मावशी आले. लता काकी.
हो, आली आहे.
गोपी is there. Hi गोपी.
हाय.
भारत is there. रुक्मिणी is
नमस्कार.
there.
मी नमस्कार करतो दादांना. मधुदादा आणि आम्ही अगदी म्हणजे किती लहानपणापासून आम्ही एकत्र वाढलो.
खरं आहे हे, खरं आहे.
माझ्याकडे काही काही फोटो आहेत त्यांचे अगदी लहानपणाचे, म्हणजे जुहूच्या शॅक होती अण्णांची
हो ना.
ऑन द बीच. तिकडे सगळे रेडे
रुक्मिणीवर
मंडळी
पण जाम जीव होता.
लहानपणी यायचे. तेव्हापासून आठवणी मला आहेत. हळूहळू हल्ली मध्ये ते बंद झालं.
चांगला आवाज जाणार नाही.
हे इंदू मावशीला बघा.
व्हिडिओ
हे
मला
लवकर
पण
या.
नाही एवढं ते समजत.
इंदू मावशी, इंदू मावशी.
जयंत आणि भारती. I can see you.
अरे इंदू मावशी आली आहे.
काय कशी आहेस तू? बरी आहेस ना?
शिल्पा पण आली. शिल्पा
बरी आहे, बरी आहे.
बरी आहे ना?
हो.
शिल्पा, I can see you.
Yes. Hi, Lata Vaini. Hi, everybody.
Hi, Shilpa.
Hi Jayant. Hi Purnima. It's Gayatri. Hi Lata Mami.
हो.
पण आवाज नाही, unmute आहे.
तू
हो, अभिजित पण म्हणाला होता जॉईन होईल, पण माहिती नाही अजून. 5 वाजता पहाटे उठायला लागेल.
Purnima, see you then later.
Okay.
आवाज येत नाहीये.
जय श्री कृष्ण.
इंदू काहीच नाही.
हाय पूर्णिमा बेन, बंकिम बोलतोय. इफ यू रिमेंबर मी.
Bankim bhai.
Yes, yes.
हा जयंत भाई, केम छो?
बाकीच्यांना म्यूट केलंय. I've just muted other people, so one of us can talk at one time. So
Yeah, that's
Mama
good.
and Aji, you guys can start. Mama, you can start talking. We are
You can. ते आपण काय बोलतात ते ऐकू शकतो. नमस्कार.
Mama, ऐकून नाही येतोय आवाज.
हो, ऐकू येते?
Yes, now we can hear you. बोल मामा.
काय नाही.
You can start saying something. More people are joining in. Almost 80 have joined in. People after 100 is the limit. They will have to join on the YouTube.
But near the people who
Don't join in.
People who come might want to say something, no? First.
Yes.
त्यांना बोलू दे.
डॉक्टर साहेब,
जयंत
मी बोलतो साहेब.
you remember me, जयंत?
दुःखामध्ये सामील आहेत. नालखंडे बोलतो साहेब.
मी आशा आत्या बोलते.
आम्ही नालखंडे साहेबांचा हे आहे की आम्ही श्रद्धांजली देतो आणि आम्ही आमच्याकडे शब्द नाही आहेत साहेब. आमचे 3 जनरेशन आभारी आहेत साहेबांचे. 3 जनरेशन आभारी आहेत.
जगदीश, बोलो जगदीश.
Hi.
Hi Jagdish.
Yes, Nakul, how are you?
Good to see you.
Good to see you too. Lata,
काय बोल
लता,
बोल.
हो, मधुपवांचं हसणं अजून काय जात नाही. त्यांचं ते लाफ्टर आणि that thing was unique. And we keep on, talking about him every day. And very, very, Madhupwa Manje was a great personality. And he has really remedied so many people in his life. People are really, त्यांचा आभार आहेत. आणि you take care of yourself. Purnima, Jayant, Bharti, Girish, our condolences to you. And whenever I am in Bombay, I'll definitely come and meet Lata there. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, Jagdish.
Jayant, Pradeep Chinai here. May I say something?
Yes, Pradeep. Go ahead.
Madhukar has been known to us and Lata, of course, for last almost 50 years. And let me tell you, he has been our family doctor and a very good advisor as far as medical problems were concerned. He was always available to us, and whenever we wanted any kind of feedback from him on medical grounds, he was always there for us. In fact, Jayant thereafter has taken over from him a lot of work, and Jayant also has been doing the same kind of good work that Madhukar was doing. We all are going to miss him. May his soul rest in eternal peace and give the family all the strength to bear this irreparable loss. God bless you all and stay safe.
I'm going to say something. I just wanted to say just a few words. I always enjoyed Madhu's company. He was a wonderful fellow, especially over a glass of whiskey. And I enjoyed not only his company, but his father's company, although there's a big generation gap. Whenever I was with his father, he always treated me with respect, and we had a lot to talk about law. And Madhu himself, of course, I will never forget his doctoring, his short sleeve white shirt and his white trousers and his bedside manner. In fact, he was the only doctor I had 100% full faith in. Just a short story, when we had gone on a Lala tour after finishing our final BCom exams, we were about 4 or 5 boys and 4 or 5 girls. We had gone to Mussoorie, and on the way we stopped at Haridwar, and we decided to purify ourselves at the Ganges. And all 8-10 of us went there, and most of them just put some water on their head. But I thought I needed more purity than the others. So I drank some. And unknown to me, there were carcasses, dead animals floating in that Ganga. Of course, by the time we reached from Haridwar to Mussoorie, I had contracted paratyphoid. And although my lovely friends around me, there was Preeti there, Preeti's sister, and various, we were about 5 guys and 5 girls, looked after me. I refused to see the doctor in that hotel. I wanted Madhu. So we rang him, and I rang him every day. And although he couldn't do anything from there, it was, I think, my faith in him that got me out of that. So he was a wonderful fellow. And I'll remember him for all his lovely medical care and the whiskey we drank together. And I hope you guys, Lata, Purnima, I can see you smiling there. So that's what I wanted to say, just my lovely memories of him.
Thank you. Thank you.
Dr. Jayant?
Hi, Komal.
Hi,
Here I am here watching.
I just wanted to say that I was one of the lucky few who had the pleasure and honor in knowing Dr. Rayleigh. Doctor had this ingenious quality about him. He would treat the patient more with the mind than with his medicine.
Yeah, certainly.
And
No problem.
I used to always go to him with a worried face, with many woes. And he would always say, "What are you talking about? There's nothing wrong with you. You're just doing great." And that used to immediately allay all the concerns I had. And his jovial nature, his ability to integrate with all age groups, his ability to actually become a confidant, his ability to keep the family together. There were so many roles he played other than just being a medical doctor. And his sense of humor, I thought, was legendary. Whenever we used to go to Willingdon Club, and he's the gentleman who was the proposer for my club membership. And I would often see him thereafter swimming, or whenever I went by the poolside, I would ask, "Is Dr. Madhukar Rayleigh here?" नहीं साहब आके स्विमिंग करके चले गए हैं. And he was so loved, so well respected by everybody. In fact, I conveyed to my mother who's in Dubai about the sad loss of Doctor, and she has sent her condolences to everybody in the family, because when my father passed away, Dr. Rayleigh played a very critical role. She was only 54 years old when she became a widow, and Dr. Rayleigh played a very important role in supporting her mentally and giving her all the comfort that she required. So there is a debt of gratitude I owe to the Rayleigh family. And Doc, while I'm at it, I wanted to again place on record, thank you for always being there for us. Bharti, you too. And I hope our association with the Rayleigh family will continue for many years to come. And my sincere condolences on the loss of this great man. He was, it's really a loss to mankind. You know, they don't make people like Dr. Rayleigh anymore. He was a man of honor. He was a man of his word. He was not at all money-minded. And he really treated people through their mind, not really through so much the medicine, I would say. So he has been a fantastic pillar of support for my entire family and for me as well. So we really miss him.
Thank you.
I'd like to. I'd like to tender my condolences. I'd like to tender my condolences. I'm another guy from the Nalkhande family. I'm a non-resident Indian. And we have been associated with Dr. Rayleigh for the last 50 years. And prior to that also with his uncle. It is like when we talk about Dr. Madhukar Rayleigh, there are two things we have been taught as children, that teachers and the doctors, they belong to the noble profession. And I think so Dr. Madhukar Rayleigh is the clear example who set the bar so high that till today and for many, many years and many generations come, that we'll keep on adoring him. My sincere condolences to the family. May his soul rest in peace. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Jayant Rao, you are going in some order, or shall I say something?
Nahi, bola, Mr.
Okay. Now, for brevity, I would like to condense by just, whenever I think of him, I think of one OV of Tukaram and one of Samartha Ramdas. I'll just mention them and not add any of my verbiage. Tukaram says, निवडे ते जेवण शेवटच्या घासे, न झाला पाहिजे वृत्तीचा पालट, येरती खटपट वाया जाय. And really he lived so beautifully right up to the end. And the other one which I have to say is from Samartha Ramdas, where he describes a man who is so fortunate that everything about him throughout his life continues to be good. And he has these words. He says, धने पात्रे अलंकार चिरे, घरे सुंदरे रम्य साही सारे, घडे योग होता विवेकी जनाचा, जनी जाणीजे योग हा सुकृताचा. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
I will say a quick word here. I will miss Nana. Can you hear me?
Who is it, please?
Can you hear me?
Yes.
We can hear you.
Yeah. I will just say quickly that I will miss Nana, and I can't imagine another visit to Bombay without seeing him. So Lata Kaki, be well, and I want to see you next time when I come. So I have to take Meena to daycare, but I will talk to you soon.
Okay, Shilpa.
Okay.
So take care.
Thank you, Shilpa. You take care.
Can I speak? This is Bharat Bala.
Yes, 1 second.
Yes, Bharat. I was introduced to Dr. Madhukar Rele by my wife, but she first came in from Chennai. Her name is Kanika in 1988, and we got married later only. But what is interesting is Kanika always went to. She's also from Chennai. When we moved to Bombay, she always been only to a lady doctor, and the only relationship she had, or the fond relationship she built with a male doctor, was Dr. Madhukar Rele. He was such a fine, towering personality with sense of humor and joy that every visit he brought to us. So I don't know, for now 30 years we've had this relationship with Dr. And then now with, of course, Dr. Jayant Rele.
No, it's not.
Everybody has said, and this is the same quality of this, celebrating his from his white hair to the white shirt to the white trouser and the glass frame, everything was so proper. And of course, when I see him in the at the Wellington, when he walks out from his swimming, wow. So, he's a man of joy. And that's what I think his life is to be celebrated. And even though it feels sad, but he brings joy even today, just talking about him. May his soul is rest in peace and stay strong and stay safe. God bless. Om Shanti.
Thank you.
Thank you. Mr. Suresh Mehta, you would like to talk?
Yes.
Yes, 1 second. I'll just put you. You can start your video, Mr. Suresh.
Can I start now?
Yeah, start again. Start your video.
Yeah, start.
Yeah, we can see you.
Good evening, everybody. I know Dr. Madhukar Rele in Wellington Club for last 7-8 years. He was such a nice, jovial, and always used to sit next to me because he says, Suresh, I'm 11 days senior to you. You were born on 15 November. I was born on 13 November. Like
3rd November.
He will remind me, and I say, Doctor, but you are a great man. I am a humble man. I am not great like you. So he always used to sit next to me. He always used to like to me. I pray Almighty God to give eternal peace forever. Thank you very much, and thank you also. Bye.
Thanks a lot, Sureshji.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, so we'll see you sometime at the club.
Yes, sir, definitely. Because I always go there. We'll see you. Thank you for putting me on the way. Because, I being a Jain, I eat little earlier. So please, thank you for putting that, okay? Yeah, I still remember Madhukar every day when I go to Wellington. Bye. Take care.
If anyone wants to speak, they can raise their hand and on the app or type in the messages. I will put them.
Hello.
Yes, hi Renu Marshi. Yes, we can see you. Yeah, we can see you. Go ahead, Renu. Anyone wants to speak?
Start. You can start. Right?
Renu Marshi? Okay, we have some technical issue. Renu, we'll come back to you again.
Yeah, can I say a couple of things?
Sure. Please.
Yeah, I'm Kirti Munshi. Our Lata Kaki, Purnima, Jayant, and the rest of the family. Our relations with Madhu Kaka were not just professional, though he started coming more frequently to the house when he was treating our father. He became more like a family member. Even afterwards, we used to bump into each other at the club or we used to visit. And he always had that twinkle in his eye, and he used to come up with one of those puns which had various meanings, and we used to all have a hearty laugh. We will all miss him. And I pray that God gives all of you the strength to bear the loss.
Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Thank you.
Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot.
Mr. Rajiv ji, you'd like to talk?
Yeah, I would like to talk. I'm talking on behalf of myself and my wife Lalita. We are both residents of Maimoon Apartments, and we know Dr. and Mrs. Ray for a couple of years now, maybe about 6-8 years or a little more than that. Yeah. If I were to, describe Dr. Ray in one single word, I would say lively. If you gave me 2 words, I would say the most lively person, honestly, and the youngest person that I knew for whatever age he had. I mean, I never ever felt that he was older than me. I felt as if he was a peer. Now, this doesn't mean I felt old. I think he was very young. And he was so young that, we vibed as friends, not as, I was not even like a son to him. I would say we were like friends. I remember him so warmly, We also had the privilege of going to his farm with him and staying there for a couple of days. He probably thought that we couldn't come and stay there because, we may want a comfortable existence, but the most comfortable existence was being with him and with Lata Kaki. So it was so nice to be with them. They were a pleasure, and, we are really going to miss him. Yeah, we talk about him every single day, and we've been talking about him every single day for the last year, maybe, or more also. So, may his soul rest in peace. We absolutely loved him. We love you all for your family, and we love him all the more even today, So wherever he is, let him be at peace. Yeah. Thanks.
Could I say something? This is Ajit Mangrolkar.
Yes, sure.
Heartfelt condolences to the entire family. In fact, Dr. Madhukar Ray was family to all of us, as is Jayant and Bharati and everyone. In fact, he epitomized what a family physician should be. I mean, he was family to everyone. I'm sure everyone had the same experience. We've known him for almost over 40 years. And he was just fantastic. Every time you went to him, you felt better. You didn't need medicines. You just felt better. And the kind of connects, the contacts that he had, I mean, if you went to Dr. A, you came out better. And I would say that the association has continued. Jayant and Bharati are good family friends. It's just that we will miss him. And my last meeting with him was at Willingdon before the lockdown. And he remembered me, and we had a good chat, and as usually joked. So fantastic human being. We shall miss him terribly, and condolences to all of you.
Hello.
May I say something, please?
Hello. I'm Surendra Shankar Shetty here. Hello.
Yeah, hi. We can. 1 second. I'll just.
Good evening, everybody.
And
I feel very sad to attend this meeting. It is a bit lost to us, lost now. And that is very difficult for us just to face his loss. He was very well-known doctor in our area, in Girgaon area. And that was, he used to practice with his uncle, Dr. Padmakar Ray. So because of our common profession, I'm a pharmaceutical man. I know him more than 50 years now. Jolly good fellow. If you want to define what is a family doctor, you refer to the doctor, Dr. Madhukar Ray. Fantastic medicine. There is no need for a patient to do any medicine. His own presence was enough for the patient to get cured. Very jolly good chap. We really lost a good physician and my personal friend. Last 50 years, I used him because of profession. Then he became our relation. Every party's evening and all that. He will just welcome us. We're so close like that. He will, whatever all bad words, abuse words, he will use it to welcome us. What? Jolly good for we lost. I came to know very late that he lost. I would have definitely gone and attended his last funeral and pay respect. Anyway, we all Nana Premi. We lost it. It's a great shock to us. Let his soul rest in peace.
May I please say a few words? May I please say a few words?
Yeah, you can say, who is this?
Yeah, my name is Manosh Karawala. My condolences to the family, to Latatai first, and of course to Jayant and Purnima. I have known Dr. Rele for at least 25 years, if not more. I am a regular at the Billingdon Club, and so was he. We used to swim together and have breakfast together almost every other day. Not to mention, he served on the balloting committee for quite a few years. So we had a great time together. I shall sincerely miss him. He was a good friend. He was a great doctor. And every morning, I wish his soul the best, and may he rest in peace.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. I just want to say a few words. I want to firstly thank all of you for sharing stories about my grandfather. It's been really nice to hear about the personal experiences that he's had with all of you. I think he has always been very inspiring in the kind of relationships he's developed with all his patients. Everyone considers him as a family member. He's always taught me that it's never too late to learn something new. Some of you have spoken about how you met him at Billingdon Club and you saw him swimming every day. I think what many people don't know, he learned swimming at 50 and then he swam every day until his health permitted it. And that was always been so inspiring for me, that I will never be too old to learn something new. And his memory still, it's difficult to find words right now, but it's just been so inspiring. And thank you all for being here and for sharing all of the stories.
Yeah, I just, it's Tanya. I also want to echo what Ritika said. Thank you all for coming out on Zoom and sharing your stories. And it's been so nice to hear both like professionally and personally, all of your experiences with Nana. The way I remember him is like you all have said, like the most fun loving person. I remember as a kid, I would prank him all the time and he'd just like laugh it off and be like, oh, looks like you're developing a sense of humor, just like your Nana. And I would go swimming with him in Billingdon, but I tried to avoid it because I'm pretty sure he swam faster than me. So even though he learned it at 50, he learned it pretty well. So I'll always remember from Nana how to be happy about everything in life, how to not let things get you down, how to have a positive attitude, how to make a lot of friends. And wherever he is, I hope he has a glass of whiskey and is by a pool just relaxing right now.
May I say something?
Yes, come.
Well, yes, I mean, I'm glad to have heard. I certainly echo everything that everybody says. I represent probably a relationship between my family, my father's side, my mother's side, that goes back probably over 8 long decades. I've had an extraordinarily deep and intimate relationship with Dr. Madhukar Rele, not just as he would come often to my practice. I treated him for his teeth, and he would often turn around and say, tell all my patients waiting outside, I've seen this boy in his mother's womb, so I go in first. He used to embarrass me, but today it's one of the best things I've ever heard in my life. I'll treasure it for the rest of my life. Apart from that, I think here was a gentleman who taught me some fantastic bedside manners and gave me some of the finest lectures on ethics in practice. And he always said, Kamlesh, no matter what you do in your life, don't ever, ever compromise yourself. It inspired me, it encouraged me, and it was actually my beacon of light in the worst moments of my life, when things went down or initially when there was no support for anything that I did. He also had his head on his shoulders and his feet never left the ground. His sense of humor was legendary. never ceased to charm everybody. He charmed almost everybody. He was kind to both the rich man, the poor man, and the middle class man. He would be kind even to the servants, always wanting to give that watchman a little tip, always saying thank you to the maid or to somebody else when he visited. His ethics were par excellence. His bedside manner was a joy to learn from. I will sincerely miss him because he was a father figure, a mentor, a guide, among many other things. One of my deepest, most intimate relationships, and among the top 5 people I want to see when I go to heaven. Thank you. Condolences to the family and to Lata Madam and Jayant, Bharti, Purnima, Girish, and all the children. I don't know how you are going to repair this loss because I don't know how I'm going to repair.
It's very difficult. It's very difficult.
Yeah, every day we used to be with him, morning, evening. He used to be always, always try to, look forward to life, even when he was not well. Every day in the evening, he used to tell me, don't you think I'm doing much better than yesterday? So always very optimistic about everything. So even if when we used to call his physiotherapist, used to tell the physiotherapist, I think I must be the best patient of yours.
He never gave up.
Never gave up.
And his jokes at the wing, if I may say so, especially in the men's room, was somewhere else. I can't obviously repeat them on this screen, but they were in another league and great fun. There's not a single member of Willingdon who would met him at 8 in the morning who was not exposed to some of his fun ribald humor, but he just simply set the pace of the day with everybody he met. And we are grateful to him. There's not a person soul he hasn't touched. With his light, he was like a mercury ball, and everybody got a bit of him, and you thought you had all of him, but you had only a tiny mercury ball, and he still continued to shine. Thank you.
Thank you. Mama, anything you want to say? So I think, should we play the video for a short while and then proceed with this?
Yeah, I think
I have made one video. See, we would like to tell everybody that in the month of February, Nana and Mummy, they celebrated their 60th wedding anniversary. And on that occasion, we had everyone almost, many people arranged their wedding ceremony again on the 60th wedding anniversary. So there's a short video. We can remember all of it. Most of our relatives were there, and they would also remember. This is actually, it was just before the lockdown started. So I think all of you could have met him at that time. So just go through the short video and then again we come back to our talk. Okay, I'll just share my screen. Yeah, please wait.
ओम गणानां त्वां गणपतिं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमम् गौतम मानव
you hear it? You see it properly?
लिफ्ट नहीं बंद हो गई। Can you believe it? अभी कैसे जाने का इसमें लोग बात करने को बोल।
Everybody got to see the video. We can
put your hand up.
Okay.
You can immediately.
Niyal, I'll put you in. Hold on. Niyal.
Hi.
What do
do you hear me okay?
What you have done now? How do I do?
Yeah, hi Niyal. We can see you.
Hi. So my condolences to the whole family. It was a real privilege to grow up next door, and very much felt like Nana Lataki were also, my additional pair of grandparents for me growing up. So lots of wonderful memories. He's had such a great sense of humor and always in such good spirits as well. So lots and lots of great memories to remember now. And I wish I could be in Bombay right now with everyone. But I look forward to seeing you all soon.
Niyal, it's good you came before, I think, February. When were you home?
I was home about a year ago.
Okay. Was it 2019? 2019.
Yeah.
Just before this whole pandemic.
Yeah. It was great to see him then. Yeah.
I think you spent some good time with him.
Absolutely. No, it was wonderful. Yeah.
Good visit at that time. Yes.
Hey, Mihir, can I go next?
Yes. Sunny. Sunny is there. Sunny. Hi, Sunny.
Can I say something?
Yeah, Sunny. Go ahead.
Can you guys hear me?
Yeah, Sunny. Go ahead.
Okay. First of all, condolences to all of Rayleigh and the Vaze families.
Yeah.
Very few words. Nana, as you call him, he was a super personality. Always very, very jovial. As a matter of fact, I miss him more for his jokes than anything else. And I'm pretty sure wherever he is, he's still joking around, fooling around a little bit. He's trying to find a joke here, trying to find a joke there. And he was an absolute amazing person. And I truly miss him. Whatever the times, the good, the bad, he was there, and he was too good. In short, I mean, I just loved him and truly miss him. Again, my heartfelt condolences to all of Rayleigh, to all of Vaze families. See you guys.
Okay. See you.
Thank you, Mihir.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, Bharti. Thank you, Jayant. And all whom I'm seeing on the screen.
Mihir. So, once in a while when I would cook, Nana would come in the kitchen and say,
You're on mute. You'll have to unmute yourself, Mom.
Yeah, okay.
so whenever I would be cooking, Nana would come in the evenings in the kitchen and say, आज कोणता कुक आलाय, आज चायनीज कुक आलाय की इटालियन कुक आलाय की काय आहे, आज कोणता इंडियन कुक आलाय. And then, when I would get ready, he would whistle at me and say, you look so good. After he left, I never got it from Jayant and I always missed it, He was just different. And I'm sure now that he is in heaven, he must be partying there. He must be telling everyone, Chala, aata whiskey cha glasses kada, let's party, let's all of us have fun.
Yes, Abhi, I'll add you. Yeah, hi Abhi. You can unmute yourself.
Hi everyone. So Abhijit, Nana was my uncle, but he was also a doctor. So he's one of those people I've known for my entire life. And when I think of Nana, it always just brings a smile to my face because as kids, he used to tell us jokes that were clearly inappropriate for our age. But as kids, we got a huge kick out of that. And that always made us laugh, and it always made us look forward to seeing Nana, whether it was going into the dispensary and getting that tonic, or it was him coming home, or it was just all the social occasions. But it's just somebody that makes you laugh. Just the memory of them makes you feel happy. So we're going to miss him. And Jayan Dada, Bharti, Puritai, Girish Dada, and everyone, condolences to all of you.
Thank you. Thank you.
And Lata Vaini as well.
This is Usha Patil.
Yeah,
I'm the first cousin of Madhu Dada. Actually, as Malab, I know Madhu Dada so well because he was a great person. He was giving, he was always laughing. He has helped us, me, Asha and Meena, so many times. He was a true brother to us, and give his, we will really, really miss him.
Yes, I agree with Usha. We all three of us had very, very close relationship with him, and we will really miss him.
Yeah, Krishan, you can go. Krishan?
Yeah. Can you hear me? Because I've been having a few internet issues. Can you hear me? Yeah. Okay. Hi everyone, and condolences to everyone on the line, because as is fairly evident, I think Nana was a part of everyone's family, and everyone who's on this call, and everything that I've heard until now is a testament to that as well. Like Niyal was saying, we obviously grew up next door to Nana, and I think just the other day I was talking to someone about Nana, and I was telling them about what had happened. And the question was asked, like, why was he called Nana? Why did you call him Nana? He was not like your mother's father, right? Because that's typically who you would call Nana. And I was reflecting on that, and I don't know if there's any truth to this, but Nana, when you say Nana, at least for me, it means younger brother or the younger one of the lot. And I think all of you sort of echoed sort of his mannerisms and behavior as sort of the younger one, and someone who always sort of was kind of carefree and cracked jokes, had a zest for life that was kind of unparalleled. And I have lots of memories of Nana coming over when he was younger, like all of you saying, in his white garb, he'd come over for a drink with Dadaji, cracking jokes here and there, and then he'd ask me about my girlfriends. At that point, I left home when I was 16, so at that point, I was still embarrassed about talking about my girlfriend, especially to my grandparents and grandparent equivalents. But it's been nice to always sort of come back to Bombay and know that I have a grandparent equivalent around, and have grandparent equivalents around. And I was fortunate enough to actually be there. I think it was a couple of years ago for, I think it was Lata Aji's birthday. And he was still very much his lively, humorous self, asking for Netflix recommendations, or wanting to jump into the cake before Lata Aji even got to cut the cake. These are small memories that will always sort of stay with me. And it was great, like Niyal said, growing up next door and learning from him as well. So, thanks.
So, I'd like to say a few words. Thank you everyone for sharing so many wonderful memories of my father. And growing up, because he was such a popular man, we had to share him with so many families. But we're very happy for all the time that we did spend together and all the memories that it created. And his loss will be definitely felt all through our lives. And Mummy and us and all of us, we've had so many good times together. And I'm surely we'll be missing them. Thank you again for all of you who
that
have shared all
vacuum,
your.
it will be, it's a vacuum created, We never thought that he will die. It was like at the bottom of this thing, at the back of our mind, it was like he was immortal. You know, like we never thought that this person can ever die.
Thank you again for all of you to
Yeah, that
have shared all
vacuum,
your
it will be very, it's a vacuum created, you know.
Mr. Sultan wants to talk. Mr. Sultan, you can say something. Can you hear? Because we got a message from you on the mobile phone that you would like to talk, Mr. Sultan. Anyone else who wants to talk? We can you can raise your hand on the app, and we will let you in. 1 second. Mukul Malvi.
Yeah,
you
I'm
can-
Mukul's wife, Jayashri Malvi.
Yes, yes, yes.
I knew Nana since last 40 years and he was my family doctor. But as everyone said, he was a family to everyone. He was a family member to everyone. And I remember so well that when we used to go to the clinic, he would not take us in, even if we were in the queue. He would tell us to wait till last, and then when we go last, he would make coffee for us and he would share a chocolate with us. And such a friendly person. He took us to Khodara with him and came home. We also, after he retired, we used to go and meet him very often. And all I can say is a very epitome of love he was. And I pray God that wherever he is, let his soul be happy. Thank you. And my condolence to Lata Ben and Jayant and everyone, the whole family. Thank you.
Thank you.
किशोर रेडे बोलतोय ऐकायला येतो का आवाज
Who is this?
Condolence, our condolences to Lata Tai, Dr. Jain.
Hello.
Who is this?
Amar Bhatt here.
किशोर रेडे बोलतोय
You can say something. Can you hear?
बोलू का
I got a message from you on the mobile phone. 1 second. I'm just trying to figure out. Anyone else wants to talk? We can.
Amar Bhatt.
किशोर रेडे बोलतोय
And we will let you in. 1 second.
बाजू करूं कैसे
Unmute तो करूं मैं.
Mukul Malvi.
Yeah,
unmute. You can
Yes, yes.
I knew Nana since last 40 years and he was my family doctor. But as everyone said, he was a family to everyone. He was a family member to everyone. And I remember so well that when we used to go to the clinic, he would not take us in, even if we were in the queue. He would tell us to wait till last, and then when we go last, he would make coffee for us and he would share a chocolate with us. And such a friendly person. He took us to Khodara with him and came home. We also, after he retired, we used to go and meet him very often. And all I can say is a very epitome of love he was. And I pray God that wherever he is,
इकडे ये
let
प्रदीप
his soul be happy. Thank you. And my condolences to Lata Ben and Jayant and everyone, the whole family. Thank you.
Hello, this is Arvind Doshi from Solapur.
Yeah, continue.
Continue.
अरविंद दोशी बोलतोय सोलापुराहून.
बाकीच्यांनी म्यूट करावे प्लीज.
Hello, Arvind Doshi and Dr. Pratibha Doshi from Solapur. Mihir, ऐकू येतंय?
We can
हो
hear
ऐकू
you.
येतंय.
Go ahead,
कंटिन्यू
Mr. Arvind.
कंटिन्यू अरविंद भाई.
Right. I go back to about 50 years, right after their marriage, we had an opportunity of meeting them, and great memories of those old days. But more than that, the recent last 20 years in Willingdon Club, practically every morning we were meeting, except last couple of years that he has been ill. आणि एकूणच त्यांची ग्रँड पर्सनॅलिटी, प्रत्येक वेळेला जोक्स करणे, तंगडी खेचणे, हे really pleasant memories I have with him. Of course, Lata Tai was an extremely pious, and she used to take a morning walk with a religious book in her hand. And but one has to accept the fact that he is no more. We all feel sorry for that. We all share the sorrow with the family. My wife, Dr. Pratibha, and I enjoy the company on various occasions. I pray that his soul may rest in peace. Thank you.
Can I add that Bharat Kaka and Ray Kaka were a fun part of the Willingdon pool, because they used to both come together and joke around, and the pool was a fun place to be, only thanks to both of them. I'm sure that we all are going to miss him a lot, and he had an amazing personality. And Kaki, please accept our condolences. And I don't know the children too well, but please accept my condolences. Thank you.
Yeah, this is Rukmini and Bharat Tahanukar. Mihir, can you see us?
Yes, we can see you, Rukmini. Go ahead.
Yeah, lovely. Thanks, Priya. Namaskar to you, Lata Vaini, and to Jayant, to Purnima, Bharti, as well as to Girish. I don't remember a single time in Shri Sadan, in the Dhanuka family, that Madhu Dada was not part of, every occasion. Of course, all the happy times he was there. But whenever there was even a little thing, like a single scratch on anybody or any issues, everybody, starting from my grandmother, would say, Adhula phone call. So he was always around. And that was, I don't think we can imagine times or days without him at all. Coming to a personal relationship with him, I think, our birthdays are just 4-5 days apart. And as I got older, and more recently, I spent some more time with him, and it was just lovely, because he would have this amazing knack of cracking a joke from any word that he could possibly get. And I think we shared that rapport and that repertoire for a long time. And I never felt that age difference, or I never felt that he was my, he was my uncle at any point. We always chatted and spoke like buddies, and I think that was a really enduring quality about him. I would like to say the standard thing of, okay, let his soul rest in peace. Of course, he's in peace. He's cracking jokes and really naughty ones with everyone that he's meeting now. So that's just, we don't have to worry about that. We don't have to worry about him. We have to worry about the others that he's cracking the jokes with. Take care, and our deepest condolences from everyone in the Dhanuka family.
But all that I can add is that all our family who are already gone up, and also all the friends, his Madhu's friends who have gone up, they were all welcome and there wherever he is. So so that's all. That's all I can say. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you for organizing this so that we could share our thoughts with everyone.
Yeah. Thanks a lot. Thanks. Sonali Atte, you can go next.
Hello, this is Sonali. I am Girish's first cousin, Girishchi Mawas Bahin. And my relationship with the Rays actually is by marriage of Girish and Purnima. But it seems like, they have always made us a part of their family from day one. And Nana and Lata Moshi, your hospitality and sense of humor and the fun times that we always had at your house and the wonderful meals that you invited us for. I will never forget that. And I just wanted to offer my heartfelt condolences to all of you. Girish Dada, Purnima, Jayan, Bharti, Mihir, Viraj, Teju, Minamaushi, everybody, Lata Maushi. We are very sorry for your loss. It's immeasurable, I know. And he will forever be remembered as a larger than life personality with his great sense of humor that was pretty much unmatchable. Nobody could really give him a comeback, when he said something. He was just a wonderful person. And I do all you.
Vasant Mama, you can go next.
Thank you, Sona. ईश्वर बोलतोय. माझा आवाज ऐकायला येतो?
हा येतो.
ईश्वर बोलतोय. पहिल्यांदा हार्टेड condolences for me and Rekha to Lata Tahi, after Jayan, Bharti and Purnima. नानांचे mid-60s पासून कांदेवाडी पासून ते फॅमिली डॉक्टर होते. Actually entire पारिकची गेले फॅमिली फॅमिली डॉक्टर आहेत. आता जयंत पण आहे. तर त्यांनी आम्हाला भरपूर मदत केलेली आहे. म्हणजे माझ्या आईला वडिलांना म्हणजे हॉस्पिटलमध्ये करायला सगळ्याला बरीच हेल्प झालेली आहे. फॅमिली म्हणजे विजिटला वगैरे पण येऊन आम्हाला काय भरपूर हेल्प केलेली आहे. 50 वर्ष माझे चित्र डोळ्यासमोर असते आणि एकदम humorous आणि जॉली पर्सन होते.
Vasant Mama, you can say few words.
माझा तुम्हाला नमस्कार.
Okay, continue. ऐकू येत नाही तुमचं जर जवळ आहे फोनवर.
लता काकी माझा तुम्हाला नमस्कार आहे.
आजी अनम्यूट कर. आई अनम्यूट कर फोन.
बोल. नमस्कार. नमस्कार माझा आहे. मला खूप अगदी आठवण येते त्यांची, पण असू दे, आता काय करणार.
आपल्या हातात
नसतं. बरोबर आहे. इथलं पान तर गळून पडणारच, कधी नाही कधी तरी पडणारच. बर,
शेवटी आम्हाला मध्यंतरी लताताई आणि नाना वर्लीला भेटले होते. त्याला पण 1 वर्ष होऊन गेले.
बर.
Vasant Mama, you can say you've been waiting for a long time. We can't hear you. Vasant Mama, we can't hear you. Check your audio.
Deepest condolences. Can you hear now?
Yeah. Yes.
Firstly, deepest condolences to everybody, my whole family. I can write a book about Nana, so I will not discuss anything more that I know. He was like a dad to me. And I will miss him tremendously. That's all I can say.
Thank you.
Convey my apologies to everybody.
So let me say something. Hello.
Yeah.
So actually I came to know Nana only when
we were getting married, but not only when we were married, but just before that, when I was in medical college, that time there was a medical ball. So there was a medical ball which was conducted by many doctors in Mumbai, and Nana was one of the key persons who used to conduct the medical ball in Mumbai in those days. So that time I had been to the medical ball with my friends, and that is where actually me and Purnima, we met for a longer time. We danced together. Then after that, we met Nana when he came to Kolhapur with Purnima. He was such a jovial person. I couldn't imagine that my would-be father-in-law would be cracking jokes with me. So he got introduced to me in that fashion. And then, of course, we have been spending time with him for so many years. And he used to be so helpful to everybody. He was so generous to everyone. And he was a very positive person. So there are a lot of things we could learn from him. He used to have so many contacts, so many friends. And if anybody wanted any help, he used to be the first person to not only call up, but he used to take that person there. I remember that there were so many people whom I used to know who were not well. Even couple of his staff who were unwell. He used to himself take them to any specialist, any doctor, any hospital, and he used to see to it that he used to visit the person regularly. He used to even attend their surgeries. So he was such a person that he would go out of the way to help people. And there was no other person I've seen like this. He was very up to date in everything. He was, even at this age, he was positive and he was looking forward to life. He used to tell me that he wanted to buy a new car. And even about 6-8 months back, he told me that, "Arey, mala navin gaadi ghaycha tha. Kutli kyu?" Then every day he used to, move around, and from our house, when he used to go around, a lot of car showrooms there. Then he used to ask me whether this car is good. So he was always positive, even when he knew that he was not able to walk properly. Then he used to like to go and walk at Worli Sea Face. He used to ask us, let's go to Worli Sea Face, let's go to the club. So always looking forward to things in life, always looking forward to meeting friends. And then whenever he used to go to the club, he used to, act jokes with everybody. So in short, I would say that I was one of the luckiest persons to have spent so much time with him, even in his last days. And I was probably very lucky to have him as my father.
मीर मला पण बोलायचंय.
Okay, go ahead.
Yeah. नाना म्हणजे धमाल. नाना आले की इतकं हसून हसून पोट दुखवायचे आणि त्यांना सगळ्या बारीक सारीक गोष्टी तेवढा इंटरेस्ट असायचा. आणि मुख्य म्हणजे सगळ्या बायकांना कसं खुश करायचं त्यांना अगदी छान माहिती होतं. म्हणजे घरी जरी आले. हॅलो.
Yes, we can hear you.
हॅलो. आणि घरी आले जेवायला तर स्वयंपाक करणाऱ्या बाईपासून ते घरातल्या सगळ्यांना जाऊन काहीतरी बोलून खुश करून यायचे. आणि जेव्हा माझं लग्न झालं तेव्हा मी अगदी स्ट्रिक्ट व्हेजिटेरियन होते. तर कधी पण गिरगावात जेवायला गेलं की आधी पहिलं लता वहिनींना नाही तर ताई मावशींना ते विचारणार, आज हिच्यासाठी काय जेवायला केलंय. तर बाकी सगळ्यांना खूप मटण मासे असायचे आणि मी काय खायचे नाही. आणि मुलांच्या सुद्धा प्रत्येक आजारपणात ते अगदी कधीही फोन केला की घरी येऊन मुद्दामून भेटायचे, घरी येऊन बघायला यायचे आणि हसून इतकं ट्रीटमेंट द्यायचे की अभिजित वगैरे पहिला जो डॉक्टर मला घाबरायचा तो अगदी त्याची भीती केव्हाच खलास.
We can't hear you. Okay. Hang झालंय वाटतं. Hang झालंय.
काहीतरी चांगलं लताबाईंनी खायला द्यायच्या. खूप मजा केली. आणि म्हणजे जरी गेले 6 महिने त्यांना भेटता नाही आलं तरी आय थिंक त्याच्या आधी आम्ही त्यांना खूप कंपनी दिली. याचा आम्हाला दोघांनाही, मला आणि परागला खूप आनंद आहे.
Okay, Rupa auntie, you want to say?
Yeah, hi. First of all, very grateful to you all for this lovely opportunity together and to be able to express our condolences. In these COVID times, we are not with you in person, but definitely with you in our prayers. And we will miss Nana. He really, truly loved us all. And we were very fortunate to be able to have some nice times with him. He did a lot for our parents, and now Jayant is taking over really. So thank you very much, everybody. And it's wonderful to listen to such lovely words about Nana. We miss him. Lata, take care. All of you, yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank
May I
you,
speak,
Rupa.
मिहीर?
Yes. Yeah.
मिहीर, मला बोलायचंय.
Yes.
रूपा धुमटकर.
Yes, one second. You can start talking.
कोण बोलतंय?
Rupa, you can start.
अच्छा बरं.
मी
नंतर
बोलू?
बोलतो. हो.
कोण बोलतंय? मी बोलू?
बोल रूपा.
हॅलो. हा. नानांना मी गेली 10 वर्ष ओळखते. खरं म्हणजे मी लताताईंची स्टुडंट, पण नानांची फ्रेंड कधी झाले ते मलाच कळलं नाही. खूप मजा यायची आणि त्यांनी मला अगदी मुलीसारखं आणि घरच्यासारखं वागवलं. ऑफकोर्स ही वॉज मोर फ्रेंडली विथ माय हजबंड अँड ही ऑलवेज कॉल मी, ही माझ्या बायकोची चमची आहे. आणि श्यामला सांगायचे, तू ये माझ्या बरोबर बस, त्यांच्यामध्ये बसू नको, ती चमची आहे, त्या दोघी गप्पा करतील म्हणून. आणि माय ग्रेटेस्ट प्लेजर वॉज की लताताईंनी जेव्हा मला क्लास हँड ओव्हर केला तेव्हा ते माझे स्टुडंट झाले. ते माझ्या बाजूच्या खुर्चीत बसायचे आणि बाकी कोणी येवो अथवा न येवो सगळ्यांच्या आधी तयार होऊन नाना बसलेले असायचे पूर्ण तयारीत. आणि मग ही वुड आस्क मी ओनली की आज कुठल्या पानावर आहे, कुठला श्लोक घेणार आहेस तू. आणि त्याच्यानंतर ते अगदी शेवटपर्यंत ऐकायचे. आणि प्रत्येक क्लास नंतर मला वाटतं माझा कॉन्फिडन्स त्याच्यामुळेच वाढला असेल की ते मला सांगायचे की तू क्लास खूप छान घेतलास. आणि मग एक पॉज घेऊन मला म्हणायचे, पण मला एकदा सांग की हे पुस्तक तू कधी पूर्ण करणार रूपा. सो मी म्हणाले, आणि माझं ठरलेलं उत्तर असायचं की नाना आपण जसं आपल्याला जमेल तसं करत जाऊ, जेव्हा मी पण नाही सांगू शकत हे पुस्तक कधी पूर्ण होणार. लॉकडाऊनमुळे क्लास बंद झाला आणि आता मी जेव्हा परत आम्ही सुरू करू तेव्हा आय विल रिअली मिस नाना. आणि नाना वॉज सो ऑब्झर्वंट की कोणी छान कपडे घातले आहेत, प्रत्येकीला कॉम्प्लिमेंट दिल्याशिवाय त्यांना चैन पडणार नाही. आणि लक्ष इतकं बारीक असायचं की एक दिवस त्यांनी मला सांगितलं, रूपा तू आज कुंकू लावलेलं नाहीयेस, पहिले कुंकू लाव बघू. म्हणजे त्यांचं इतकं सगळीकडे बारीक लक्ष, कोणी छान नवीन कपडे, आज काय नवीन कपडे का, इतकं नानांचं बारीक लक्ष. आय एम रिअली गोइंग टू मिस नाना. And I had great opportunity to getting Lata Tai and Nana married again. I relished that whole episode. That will.
You were the official Bharji. You were the official Bharji.
Yeah, I was the official Bharji, and it was just last minute decided. I think morning I scripted what we are going to do, and nobody had any idea. And Nana told me again and again, "Tu फारच धमाल केलीस बाबा. तू फारच धमाल केलीस बाबा." And these are the words I'm going to remembering all my life. I enjoyed my association. Of course, Lata Tai is she's my mother, and Nana was always a father figure. Thank you so much, Mir, for organizing this, and my condolences to the whole family. And I think I also need condolences because I miss him. Okay. Bye.
मला परत बोलायचं. मी उषा पाटील बोलते आहे. मी आता लताबाईंनी आणखीन सगळ्यांना बघते आहे. मला मधुदादा माझा जस्ट great brother to me. I'm here in United States last 42 years, and every year I visited India. I saw him. लताबाईंनी मला खूप she made so many beautiful dinners for us. Madhu Dada was just greatest person, greatest physician that I know. He was always joking and always laughing. All the best.
Ramana Vijay.
Thank you, Shiva.
Can I say something?
मुंबईला असताना
Okay,
मी आणि नाना आणि लता आम्ही
Yamina.
रोज संध्याकाळी बरोबर चहा घ्यायचो. रोज संध्याकाळी मी मुंबईहून निघाले कोल्हापूरला यायला, तर मला वाटलंच नाही की नानांची परत भेट होणार नाही. आणि आता सुद्धा सारखं मला आठवण होते की नाना, मी आणि लता आम्ही रोज संध्याकाळी भेटायचो, रोज बरोबर चहा प्यायचो आणि खूपदा वरळी सी फेस्टला फिरायला जायचो. तर मुंबईहून निघाले 2 महिन्यापूर्वी, तेव्हा असं वाटलंच नाही की आता नानांची आपली परत भेट होणार नाही. फार 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 आम्हाला इतके वाईट वाटतं, सारखी आठवण होते. लता आपण कसं राहत होतो आणि इथे आता 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 तू कधी भेटणार, मी आता कधी मुंबईला येईन सांगता येत नाही. तेजू बोल ना तू पण.
नानांची म्हणजे आम्ही जेव्हा कोल्हापूरला निघत होतो आणि मुंबईवरनं, असं मला कधीच वाटलं नाही की आम्ही जेव्हा परत घरी जाऊ त्यांना बघायला मिळणार नाही. वी ऑलवेज हॅड plans that once we are back, we'll go to different places. He wanted to go to Willingdon Club because that's his favorite place to visit. And he was waiting to meet everyone, all his friends and everyone at the club especially. So we really miss Nana and we are actually kind of in shock and we didn't expect this sudden demise to happen.
Actually, let me tell you about this incident. In the month of August, when corona infection, this COVID infection was at the peak, at that time there were a lot of problems in this thing. Even before August, I would say, in the month of June. At that time, we had decided that we will all come to Kolhapur, and Nana was the first person to be said ready. So we just said one day that we will all go to Kolhapur and we'll stay in Kolhapur. And we will arrange for the dialysis of mummy in Kolhapur. So I was just talking to some people on the phone and trying to arrange for the e-passes. And Nana suddenly he said, I am ready. My bag is already packed and when are we leaving? So I said, Nana, we are not yet leaving because we have not yet got the e-pass. Then next day again he asked me, so have you got the pass? I said, yes, the pass is on the way. But what happened was in the meantime, then we found that even in spite of the e-pass, when we had come to Kolhapur, Nana and Mummy would have and my mother would have had to go to the hospital to get themselves tested. And since there were so many cases, we were advised that you should not travel now. So that is the reason we had cancelled. And then he was feeling so bad that he didn't get the time to travel. So this used to always ask me, so when is the next time we are going? So we do that journey.
Yeah, I want to say one thing. When this first corona patients happened, so Nana said, I have to go and see these corona patients. How come they're falling ill so much?
Yeah, and he could not believe that there's why the lockdown is happening. He could not, let all the shops are open. Why are we not going to Willingdon Club? So he would keep asking us again and again. We say, everything is open.
And so he used to call his friends in Willingdon Club and ask them, Karaz band hai ka club?
Girish, you can share your experience when you went out in the lockdown in the car for a ride. What he talked in the car when he went for the lockdown. You had taken him out, na, in the car.
Yeah, once in a while I used to take him alone for a drive, and then he used to go there, and then he used to look at all the shops. अरे रेस्टॉरंट बंद आहे, रेस्टॉरंट बंद आहे, मग त्यानंतर हा शॉप बंद आहे. यांना कसं काय परवडतंय, यांना कसं परवडतंय एवढं सगळं बंद करून. Then he told me, okay, you take me to the club. So we went almost near the gate of the club and the gate was closed. अरे खरंच बंद आहे club. Then again we came back and then we took him to Shivaji Park. Shivaji Park was completely empty and he said, अरे मी माझ्या आयुष्यात एवढं शिवाजी ओव्हल मैदान एवढं रिकामा बघितलं नाही. अरे म्हटलं नाना, दिस इज नॉट ओव्हल मैदान, दिस इज शिवाजी पार्क. So Then he said, "अरे शिवाजी पार्क एवढं रिकामा कधीच बघितलेलं नाही." So I think so that was the time he realized that there's some reality is there in what we were telling him about the lockdown. Okay. Yeah, Gauri, you can. Yeah.
Yeah, so I'm Gauri Dahanukar, now Mehta, living in America. And for me, Madhu Kaka, oh my God, ever present Madhu Kaka. In fact, every time I have grape juice and think of the mixture, I'm like, oh my God, it just brings me back the memories of my childhood. But I think Madhu Kaka, after listening to all of you and just knowing him for what he is, he was in love with life itself. You know, he was just love itself. In every role he played, I felt, oh my God, this is love playing the role of a doctor. This is love playing the role of a dad, or uncle, or a husband. And I just love to watch Lata Vaini and Madhu Kaka's relationship. I think it was exemplary to see how a couple like really expresses and lives in love. I feel they are like the epitome for me of when I see a couple, you know, and together. And just ever present, like super observant, like everyone said, you know, he's just every detail, he just knows how to bring that joy out of everyone and in every situation. And that is like a blessed life. I mean, he lived Ananda, he lived joy. This is what is life. I mean, this is, you know, it's full of, in every situation, like he could bring out the best in all of us and the best on himself. And I feel for me, that's the biggest thing to take away is like, oh, Madhu Kaka, thank you for showing me how to live in a way that's full, that's joyful, that's giving, and so devoted to Lata Vaini, who's like the most pious and beautiful person and so gentle and so giving. And I really, my heart reaches out to all of you and the family, and he's ever present for me. Thanks for organizing this too.
गौरी छान बोललीस तू.
Thank you. Namaskar तुम्हाला, पाया पडते. Sorry, but I have to leave. I have another meeting coming up, so I'm going to leave the meeting right now. Okay. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Vishwadhara, can speak.
Namaskar, Lata Vaini. I'm Vishwadhara Dhanukar. For the rest of you, my maiden surname is Rane from Goa. Married into the Dhanukar family. Well, my first meeting with Madhu Dada was at the age of 16 with Dr. M.R. Narvekar and Sudha Kaki. And I met Lata Vaini also with them at the club and at their place. Then I got married into the Dhanukar family. So my association goes back a very, very long way. And every time I met both of them, they've showered me with tremendous love. Lata Vaini, my parents send their heartfelt condolences. And I'm at a loss of words because we've lost a legend, I would say. Somebody who has always, always showered us with love, positivity, and taught us what life is. And to stay positive at all times. So I condole Purnima, Girish, Jayant, Bharti, the children. And we are going to miss Madhu Dada very deeply. Namaskar, Lata Vaini.
Anyone who wants to speak can raise your hand or message me or unmute yourself and you can start speaking. More or less.
Mummy wants to talk something.
एक मिनट बोला
मी बोलू? हाँ, लता वहिनी. लता वहिनी नमस्कार. हा, मी मगासपासून बोलायचा प्रयत्न करते, पण आपण सगळेच बोलत आहोत ना, बोलू शकले नाही. पण आपलं हे मोठं फॅमिलीमध्ये लॉस झाला आहे. त्या वतीने मी सगळ्यांच्या वतीने भावपूर्ण श्रद्धांजली अर्पण करते नानांसाठी. आणि तुम्ही पण व्यवस्थित राहा, नीट राहा, जपून राहा, आपली काळजी घ्या तब्येतीची.
काकी कशा आहेत?
काकी बऱ्या आहेत, काकी बऱ्या आहेत, काकी बऱ्या आहेत. हो हो, काकी बऱ्या आहेत.
दिसतील का मला?
त्या ना त्यांच्या रूम मध्ये आहेत, तर त्यांना इथे आणणं मला शक्य नाही होणार तसं.
ठीक आहे, ठीक आहे.
असं नाहीये. मी
नंतर बोलूया.
मी त्यांना व्हिडिओ कॉल करून किंवा कसं तरी तुमच्याशी बोलायला त्यांना हे करेन, प्रयत्न करेन, जरूर करेन. हा. आणि म्हणून आमच्यात सगळ्यांतर्फे भावपूर्ण श्रद्धांजली. आपल्या फॅमिलीमध्ये हा मोठा लॉस झालेला आहे, पण ते आपल्याला आता बेअर करायचं आहे आणि पुढे आपले जीवन चालू ठेवायचं आहे. आणि आता या सिच्युएशन मध्ये आम्ही पटकन येऊन भेटू पण शकलो नाही तुम्हाला, की पॅन्डेमिकमुळे पटकन जाणं येणं कोणाकडे, तरी पण आम्ही प्रयत्न करू, येऊन तुम्हाला भेटू, प्रत्यक्ष येऊन भेटण्याचा आम्ही प्रयत्न करू जरूर. हा. आणि सगळ्यांना तुम्ही नीट राहा, व्यवस्थित. काळजी घ्या. हो जरूर जरूर जरूर. हो, काळजी घ्या, तुमची काळजी घ्या. हा. मी थोडी मीटिंग लिव्ह करते, कारण थोडं काम आहे मला, म्हणून मी मीटिंग लिव्ह करते. हा. ओके ओके.
नमस्कार, मला बोलायचं आहे जरा. हॅलो, मी
Yes.
संगीता रेळे, मला बोलायचं आहे. बोलू का?
बोल.
हा हा. नमस्कार लता मावशी, नमस्कार पूर्णिमा ताई, मला सगळ्यांना नमस्कार. आणि माझी खरंच भावपूर्ण श्रद्धांजली मधु डॉक्टरांसाठी. मधु डॉक्टर म्हणजे एकदम सळसळता उत्साह, आनंद. त्यांच्याकडे आपण गेलो कधी आजारी असला तर त्यांना बघूनच अर्ध आपला आजारपण जायचं. असं म्हणजे मधु डॉक्टर काय झालं की अरे मधु डॉक्टरांकडे पहिल्यांदा जा, त्यांच्याकडे गेल्यावरती बरं वाटेल तुला, असं घरातलं एकमेकांना सांगायचं. आणि कधीही ते मदतीला धावून यायचे. मला आठवतंय माझी आई गेली तेव्हा घरचं कोणी नव्हतं, फक्त माझा भाऊ होता आणि मी होते. आणि मला फोन आला की आई गेली, तेव्हा पहिल्यांदा आले ते मधु डॉक्टर आले धावून आणि सर्टिफिकेट वगैरे दिलं. मला बोलले काही काळजी करू नको, व्यवस्थित होणार तिचं सगळं, असं वगैरे. म्हणजे त्या क्षणाला माझ्या बरोबर फॅमिली मेंबर्स कोणी नव्हते, फक्त एक भाऊ होता आणि मी होते. आणि नंतर बाकीचे सगळे आले, पण पहिल्यांदा होते ते आमचे मधु डॉक्टर. कधीही काही झालं की मधु डॉक्टर, काही आवश्यकता वाटली की अरे मधु डॉक्टरांकडे गेलंस की सगळं बरं वाटणार, सगळं बरं होणार. असे मधु डॉक्टर, आनंदी, उत्साही, नेहमी अगदी. आणि कधी भेटले तर नंतर बोलायचे की अरे संगीता, अरे आमच्या ही लताची चमची जसं हे बोलल्या रुपाताई, तर तशी पण लताची चमची, लता तुझी आली चेली, असं बोलणार बाईंना सुद्धा. त्यामुळे खरंच इट्स अ ग्रेट लॉस. कायच बोलू मी अजून. लता मावशी, तुम्ही तुमची काळजी घ्या. हा. सगळ्यांना भावपूर्ण श्रद्धांजली माझी.
Anyone wants to talk, they can unmute themselves and.
मम्मीला बोलता येईल का?
बोल ना मम्मी.
बोल बोल.
आज तुम्ही सगळ्यांनी एवढे सगळे तुमचे विचार मांडले, ते मला खूप आनंद झाला. त्यांच्याबद्दल एवढं रिस्पेक्ट सगळ्यांना आहे. पण आज मला माझी सावली, ज्या सावलीमध्ये मी बसत होते,
So
ती
I
माझी
am
सगळी
so
छायाच
pleased to
गेल्यासारखं
have met
वाटतं.
him, to have known him, and to have been a patient of his who was more like a father to me. And I've enjoyed meeting him, getting all the healing from his suggestions, whatever to do for my health. And it has been wonderful. He was humorous. He brought a lot of joy to us all. Thank you so much. And also, I wish you all the best. I wish Jayant Bhai, Bharti, your daughter, all the whole family, all the best. And I wish that and pray for the soul of Madhukar Doctor. And Om Shanti.
हॅलो हॅलो हॅलो.
Yes.
मी बोलू शकते का?
Yes.
हॅलो.
बोल ललिता काकी.
नमस्कार लताताई.
बोल.
Our heartfelt condolences to Latatai, Jayant, Bharti, Purnima, and Girish. Nana was a towering personality with Kadak function. All eyes would turn to him. He had a good sense of humor and was also a food lover. And he would appreciate things. Hello.
हाँ, ऐकू येते. बोला बोला.
Latatai and Nana made a perfect couple, and they were made for each other. May his soul rest in peace. That is what I would do. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
अमर भट्ट, मी हो का?
Yes. Yes, Mr. Amar.
Yeah. See now, you people are new incumbents in the Relay family. We are with Relay family from 1930s. When Dr. V.G. Relay treated my father, then Padmakar and Ravindra and Madhukar and all. So, I mean, we convey our deepest condolences to Latatai, Purnima, Jayant and Bharti. Now the thing is that my Jayani daughter was so much attached to him. He is in, she is in San Diego with my son, but there also she started crying and all. Nana was an endangered species. It is impossible to find family doctors like him, so sincere and so dedicated. And we had attended his wedding also at Vanita Vishram and the children's wedding at Marine Drive and Babulnath. I had attended his opening of the clinic at Prasad Chamber. And he was not our family doctor, he was our family only. I mean, we feel very sad about his, it's a great loss to not only you, but to us also. We pray with all our heart. May his soul rest in peace. And Latata and everybody, please accept our condol. My daughter Jenny, she is a very strong-willed person. But as long as I mean, Dr. Jayant was, Madhukar was concerned, she was, I mean, to pacify her and accept the life as it comes. May God.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you,
Thank you.
Amar.
मम्मी तुला बोलायचंय
मम्मी बोलणार नाही
Vijay, do you want to speak? Vijay.
Unmute yourself. Anyone wants to speak, they can press the unmute on their or or message somewhere so we understand who wants to.
Renu.
He can be.
तुम्ही बोलते
बोल आजी बोल तू थोडं तुला बोलायचं
नाही सगळ्यांनी मी सगळ्यांचे आभार मानते की सगळ्यांनी त्यांचे विचार प्रगट केले आणि सगळ्यांना मन हलावून सोडलं त्याबद्दल मी सगळ्यांचे आभार मानते.
ठीक आहे मामा want to say anything?
सगळ्यांनी मी सगळ्यांचे आभार मानते सगळ्यांनी त्यांचे
I would also like to thank everyone who attended this meeting and expressed all their love for Nana. We will definitely miss him and thank you very much for all the love presented to him from the family and the extended family and our patients and our friends. Thank you very much.
Yeah, so I would like to thank everybody for attending this, and we really thought that we should have this Zoom call today because there are so many people who wanted to come and meet, but it was difficult because there are restrictions all over, even in our building. It was difficult to allow so many people to come and meet, and even holding a condolence meeting outside was not a very convenient thing, and in these times of COVID. So I think it was a good thing that we could all meet here, and then once things are back to normal, once everybody can visit each other, and everybody's welcome to come and meet us, and we can come and meet Mami and everybody. So thank you, everybody.
Thank you everyone for joining us. If anyone wants to speak, we still have some 5-10 minutes, and then we can end the call. 1 second, somebody.
Yeah, Vijay. Yes. Vijay, we can't hear you.
Who is this?
Yes, now we will be able to hear. Yes. Yeah.
Hello. Yeah, go ahead.
लताताई पौर्णिमा.
हा बोला, बोल शैलजा.
नमस्कार. नमस्कार तुम्हाला आणि नानांना भावपूर्ण श्रद्धांजली. मला फक्त एकच सांगायचंय की आता पुन्हा क्लास चालू झाला का वी विल बी मिसिंग नाना लाईक एनिथिंग.
हो ना.
जस्ट कांट बेअर दॅट लॉस. बस एवढंच सांगायचं मला. नमस्कार. थँक्यू.
थँक्यू.
Thank you. Yes. So anybody wants to speak, we can have for some more time. Naru Kaka, you want to speak something? Hi, Naru Mama. Can you unmute yourself? Button आला असेल बघ. I cannot unmute.
Can you hear me?
Yes. Yeah, we can hear you. Yes, Naru Mama.
हाँ बोल ना मामा.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yeah, we can hear you.
Just to say that we'll miss Madhu. Good. You take care, Lata. I'll speak to you. Speak to you again.
Okay.
Hello, Mama, you take care.
Take care. We'll talk to you on the phone sometime.
I'll speak to you again.
Okay, sure.
Yeah.
Bye for now.
Bye.
Bye.
ठीक है मग अजून anyone else wants to speak or we can end this, okay, so thank you everyone.
This is Ashwini here.
Yeah, okay. Hi Ashwini.
And I just want to give my sincere condolences to Lata Maushi, Purnima, Jayant, Bharati, everyone. I have been trying to speak for quite some time, but it's been really difficult, and I just can't get myself to speak. But I just wanted to say that he meant a lot to me. He was like my father. I mean, I have seen him since my childhood because Lata Maushi has been my mother's childhood friend right since the other day she told me that Lata Maushi and I were in school since Montessori, and Madhu Kaka Nana was my mama's childhood friend, and they have grown up together playing as kids. So I have always seen them, since I have been a child, and Nana has always been like a father figure to me. So yes, it's a great loss, and we are all going to miss him. Lata Maushi, काळजी घे.
हो काळजी.
Jayant, I'll call you up later and I'll talk to you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Anyone else wants to speak? You can unmute or so even there.
Here, Indu Maushi wants to talk.
Yes. One second. Indu Maushi.
अगं जांभुडा जरा लवकर ये इंदुताई.
Indu Maushi, you have to speak, unmute down, unmute.
Nakul, can you show her how to unmute?
I've unmuted it. We are on separate ones.
Yeah, in her room.
No, it's her device is on mute.
Indu Maushi.
We do it individually.
हाँ, तिच्या वर जाऊन करेल. Anya, how are you doing in USA? Is it cold?
I'm good. It's actually not cold at all. But yeah.
Hope to see you soon.
Yeah, I'm hoping to come home soon.
Now, Indu Maushi's face is not properly seen. Can you just tilt the...
But she can come close to the...
She can come closer.
We can't see Indu Maushi. Only your forehead is seen.
बोल इंदू मावशी बोल. We can hear you.
मी आता बोलते. सगळ्यांनी मधुबद्दल सगळं सांगितलं, पण I know Madhu 80 or 85 years back when he used to come to his mother's mother in Pune to meet Judge Mastakar. But that time त्यांनी काही खात नव्हते ते. चुलीवर ठेवून बटाट मावश्या त्यांच्या नालुताई मालुताई वगैरे आणि ते बटाट त्यांना खायला द्यायचं म्हणजे मधुला. पण तेव्हापासून आम्ही मधुला ओळखतो आणि नंतर तो ते डॉक्टर झाले. त्या आमची आता म्हणाली ते डॉक्टर आहेत, लताला बरे आहेत. आपण जेव्हा लहान असतो त्या डॉक्टर घरात बरा असतो तेव्हा त्यांचं आणि लग्न झालं म्हणजे लताचं आणि मधुचं. पण मधु आम्हाला नेहमी आपल्या घरासारखा सगळ्यांना इतका चांगल्या रीतीने वागवायचा करायचा. आणि मी आता काय सांगू आता, तुला तर बघायला पाहिजे. पौर्णिमा जैन सगळे आहेत आणि यू हॅव टू लुक आफ्टर हिम. बट वी नो मधु सच अ लॉंग टाइम. द वे ही स्पोक. ही टोल्ड मी तू कधी येणार. तर आता मी करोना आलं तर म्हटलं आता नकुल परत आला की मी मुंबईत येईन तुला भेटायला. परंतु मी करुणाच म्हणते. आमच्यावर करुण नाही होणार कधी डॉक्टर दे माहिती नाही कधी आम्हाला सुटवणार ह्याच्यातून. आणि ते म्हणाले आपण बँड घेऊन येऊ एअरपोर्टला तुला रिसीव्ह करायला. जाता जाता हॉस्पिटलमध्ये जाताना आदल्या दिवशी ते माझ्याशी बोलले आणि त्यांनी तेच सांगितलं मी वाट बघतो मी बँड घेऊन येतो. आणि दुसऱ्या दिवशी ते हॉस्पिटलमध्ये गेले. पण असं होईल असं वाटलं नाही. लता नेहमी म्हणायची आम्हाला लतासारखी बायको मिळाली म्हणून मी इतका चांगला झालो, म्हणजे आमची जोडी इतकी चांगली झाली असे लताबद्दल ते नेहमी म्हणायची. पण आता काय सांगणार, रडून तरी काय करणार. आता लताला पौर्णिमा जवळ आहे, ती बघते जयंत आहे भारती आहे ते तिला बघतीलच. तिने सगळं सहन केलं. 6 वर्ष तर ती डायलिसिस वगैरे करते. मी तिला नेहमी फोन करून तिच्याशी बोलते वगैरे. लता लुक आफ्टर युअरसेल्फ. पौर्णिमा जवळ आहे, ती तुझं खूप करते. पौर्णिमा ब्लेस यू. तू तिचं खूप करतेस. आणि मी काय सांगू, नरू सारखं मला पण रडू येतं पण आय कॅनॉट डू एनिथिंग. सगळ्यांना नमस्कार. सगळ्यांनी इतकं मधुबद्दल बोलले म्हणून. आणि काय सांगू, आम्हाला काही तुला पुढे सांगता येत नाही. त्यांना बघून व्हिडिओ बघून सुद्धा मला खूप वाईट वाटलं. पण मी लताला धीर देत होते, पण काय करणार. एनिवे लता लुक आफ्टर युअरसेल्फ. मला बोलता येत नाही आणखी. तुम्ही हे सगळं अरेंज केलं, छान झालं. सगळी लोक भेटली आणि मला पण बोलायची हिंमत मिळाली. ओके, सगळ्यांना नमस्कार. आणि मधुला काय सांगू.
बरं वाटलं इंदू मावशी तुला बघून.
इंदू मावशी Good to talk to you. Good to talk to you after a long time again. आणि इंदू मावशी, आय वॉन्टेड टू टेल यू, नाना सारखे सांगायचे रोज, तुझा फोन आला ना, जो फोन आला की मला सांगायचे, अरे बघ बीबीसी चालू झालं, बीबीसी चालू झालं. मम्मीला फोन करायचे ना, फोन आला की मला म्हणायचे, अरे आता बोलू नको, तिकडे बीबीसी चालू आहे, डिस्टर्ब करू नको.
आता हे पुरं होणार नाही, गोष्टी करत बसतील, बहिणी बहिणी गोष्टी करत बसतील. पण लताला कोणी राहिलं नाही. मी तिच्या आईसारखी आहे, ती माझ्यापेक्षा 13 वर्षांनी लहान आहे, पण मी तिला नेहमी फोन करते आणि विचारते कसं काय आहे. आणि ऑलवेज आणि तुम्ही सगळ्यांनी त्यांच्यासाठी इतकी मदत केली, बरं वाटलं. आणि मला बोलायला झालं म्हणून पण बरं वाटलं. लता, लुक आफ्टर युअरसेल्फ. मी तुला नंतर फोन करते. आमच्याकडे आता 2:45 झालेले आहेत. ओके देन, टेक केअर. ऑल नमस्कार.
ह्याचा फोन आला होता नरूचा. नरू पण बोलला.
बघितलं,
ऐकलंस का तू?
मी त्याच्याशी बोलते नेहमी, त्याला पण खूप वाईट वाटलं, पण काय करणार ना. आपण जेव्हा जन्मतो
बरं वाटलं तुला बघून.
आलं तर आपण पाठीला लोक असतो, पण काय करणार ना.
सगळे तुला बघतायत,
घरातले सगळे लोक
बघतायत.
लतासाठी करतेस एकदम बरं वाटलं. बरं वाटलं तुला बघून, नक्की बघते.
विजय बघ.
हो विजय, एवढा हुशार आहे. तुझी भेंड्याची भाजी खायला मी अजून पण येते.
भेंड्याची, बरोबर.
ओके, सगळ्यांनी आपली काळजी घ्या. लता, लुक आफ्टर युअरसेल्फ. मी तुला थोड्या वेळाने फोन करेन.
बरोबर.
ओके,
बाय.
Okay then.
Okay, everybody. Thanks a lot.
So thank you all for coming, and I'm sure Nana must be having a lot of fun in heaven. He must be watching us from the stars, and he will always be with us in our hearts and everywhere. So yeah, if anyone wants to talk, they can call Lataji and any one of us. And yes, so this recording, I have recorded it, so I will upload it somewhere. If someone was not able to come today, we can share with them. So thank you everyone. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye and see you soon.